Okay, we got a mini split here, just making sure everything's good to go. We're going to open this guy up here, make sure. Alright, so we got filters here, so these guys want to make sure they get cleaned out all the time. So these are pretty good, you know. Make sure this is nice and clean. We definitely don't want these dirty, because what will happen is it'll create some restriction, reducing the airflow and then creating a big mess. So let's go out here. Let's put this back. Bam, just like that. Okay. Alright. These are very nice too, actually. So let's see here. Let's get this remote going here. And as you can see, let's turn the fan up. Nice and quiet. Oh yeah, pretty nice. Very quiet. And then just make sure in here it's nice and clean too as well, you know, maybe dust it off from time to time. Pretty quiet. We'll go check on the outside. We'll just go ahead and put this remote back here in place, and we'll go outside. As you can see, the lines go up top, goes into the indoor model. Pretty quiet. See the fans going inside. And the things to look out for these guys is you want to make sure that the back of the coil is clean. You don't have any debris, any pollen or anything like that. You can always just hose it down, pretty gently. You don't want to bend up any of these fins in here. So the reason why you want it clean is so you can have proper airflow going through the backside, so it runs efficiently. Just always make sure you check these, the insulation that goes around the copper. This is what it looks like. So just make sure this is all still well intact. Mother Nature tends to eat it up pretty good, and then you'll see the copper exposed, which you don't want, because again then you'll lose efficiency with that. So it's always good just to take a round, take a good look, make sure everything is good to go, and that's pretty much it. Nice and quiet, that's what I like, and efficient.